Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to be showing you how to make a traditional Atlatl used traditionally for hunting. It was a method of being able to throw a spear or a long arrow much further than being thrown just by hand. In fact, it was even said that an Atlatl has the same force as
a lot of rain.
A 50-pound bow. So extremely powerful, very useful and very easy to make.
Yes,
so we started off by finding some straight pieces of willow. This was a fallen willow that had lots of widdies sprouting off it, so plenty to go off.
Yeah? Do we just need one more arrow or...?
And then we proceeded to take the length that we needed. We needed 2 arrows that were around 6-7 foot, and then we needed the actual Atlatls, and we were looking for a traditional tick shape in the branches, so where one branch comes off another, and you can see that that's been sawn off now.
She grows back like so quick. Just millions of them.
Once we had found the pieces that we needed, it was time to take them back to camp to start refining the shape, and those tick branch shapes before, like I said before, needed to have a point on the top of the arrow. Yeah.
Maybe? Yeah. You can always take more off.
And there we are with those tick shapes. Those are going to be shortened down a lot more and refined more to a point. So it's just time to make it more comfortable in hand, taking off any bits that are sticking out. And then we're going to show you how to make it into a point to actually hold the arrow. And you can see now how that shape has changed into more of a point to hold the back of the arrow securely in place. Then it was time to have some fun throwing them. And they did quite well. They just needed fletchings on the end to make them fly straighter over longer distances. But as you can hear by that sound, still very effective.